My favorite thing about this furniture vacuum is the peace of mind it gives me. Even though it's lightweight and quiet, I love that it provides the UV light, the ultrasonic sound, the tapping, the strong suction. It's just a powerhouse and a little easy to use machine. It works great on mattresses, couches, and chairs alike. First impressions, it's plastic. It's easy to hold with that handle. It is lightweight, and the electronic display area is super helpful. It defaults to power 1 for ultrasonic mite removal, environmental humidity, and surface tapping. Humidity levels, vacuum light indicators, ultrasonic indicators, tapping function, and UV light sterilators are all indicated on that display when it's on. The dust and debris collection cup easily slides out, and there's a filter inside that's tiny, collecting a lot of the materials. You can empty that and then slide it right back in. On the underside, you can see that functionality. This is the ultrasonic mite remover. This is the tapping. You can see those move and adjust and tap the suction, and here is the UV light, and here's the rollers that slide easily on the surface. Turned on, you can see it's reading the humidity at 53%, and here are the different light activators showing that all the operations are active, and that purple UV light is also active as well. And here's the tapping. It's just a slight tapping. I don't know if you can actually see that. It's kind of pulsing my fingertips, and obviously that ultrasonic is not visible. Top right, you simply push down. It glides super easily. It's so comfortable in my hand. It's really the easiest machine ever to use, which I do love. And being cordless, you can take it anywhere with the 16,000 PA suction and the integrated HEPA filter. It's designed to address dust, hair, bugs, etc. Thanks to the seller for seeing this over. Overall, a super easy, super powerful machine to use.